I would like to purchase this orange juice. Okay. Oh, let me see how much this is. That would be $1,400,044. What is wrong with you people here? Ugh. Hey, we're Walmart. Our prices are great. No, they are. I paid minimum wage. Oh, oh, what is wrong? Oh, oh, I'm calling security. Oh, oh, oh my gosh. Oh, 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 security, 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 oh, oh, security, security. Ugh.